you want to earn more from holding your Bitcoin and a chance to win your share of 1.2 Bitcoin in the process, then this video is for you. I am Mr. Diamond of the Crypto Diamond channel, and today we're doing a BTCFi tutorial on how to get wrapped Bitcoin and BTCB onto the BTCFi platform so you can get your chance to participate in the experience to go ahead and win that 1.2 Bitcoin in the process. Alright guys, I do have the steps laid out. Let me go ahead and read them off before we jump into the video. There is about 4 steps in the process to getting this set up. So step 1, you're going to have to either sign up for Binance or Coinbase. If you're in the US, you can still use Binance US, but Coinbase is going to be a little bit easier. Step 2, you're going to want to install the Pockie wallet, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It is on Google Play Store, Chrome, and the App Store as well on Apple for those of you Apple holders out there. Step 3, we're going to select the BNB network, which is just Binance. For those of you who don't know what that means, BNB is the Binance network. On Binance, we're going to transfer BTC, which is Bitcoin, to the wallet, and then step 4, we're going to connect the wallet to BTCFi and execute the Bitcoin deposit. I'm going to go over all these steps as well. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them into the comments or reach out to me on the Crypto Diamond Telegram, Crypto Diamond Facebook, or the Crypto Diamond Twitter. I will also have the BiFrost Socials right here below me as well. So if you have any questions in the process, feel free to reach out to BiFrost. There's always somebody in one of the social networks, such as Discord, that'll be more than willing to help you out if you happen to get lost in the process. All right, let me jump on over to the homepage of BTCFi, which is BTCFi.1. And like I said, all the links you see above me will be right here below me in the description of the video. Feel free to check them out anytime you want to see what's going on. All right, so you want to come over to Binance. And for those of you in the US, it is Binance.us. Those of you not in the US, it is just Binance.com. I am in the US, so when you come over to Binance, you are going to have to sign up. It does not look like this. Let me go ahead and get out of here, guys. We're going to log out. So when you log out, it's going to look just like this. And over here in the top right corner, right above me right here where you see login, I'm circling my mouse right here. You're going to want to click sign up. For those of you who don't currently have a Binance account, if you currently have a Binance account, just go ahead and log in, grab some WBTC, and you're good to go. All right, so you're going to want to log in, and when after you go ahead and sign up or log in, for those of you who have not ever had a Binance account, there is a KYC process, and what that means is know your customer. In that process, you're probably going to have to upload a photo ID with a current address on there, and that's pretty much it. But they just verify that, then you're good to go. This is a centralized exchange, so it does require KYC. So there is a difference between decentralized, DeFi, and centralized. Centralized does require identification when you're setting up accounts. DeFi does not. All right, so and for those of you who prefer Coinbase or already have a Coinbase, you can do the same process here. And as you know, Coinbase does require proof of address, a photo driver's license or ID to be uploaded before they even let you go ahead and start trading, and a bank account attached to the Coinbase itself. Coinbase, I do see both are actually super safe platforms. I've never had an attack on either one. Honestly, you have to worry more about MetaMask than anything else. So these are both perfectly safe platforms to go ahead and get started on. All right, and while we're over here on BTCFi, currently BTCFi only allows deposits of BTCB, which just means Bitcoin Binance, or WBTC, which means wrapped Bitcoin. BTC deposits will be available soon after the mainnet launch, and stay tuned for updated videos for when mainnet actually happens, or you just jump into their Discord and they'll post the announcements when they launch to mainnet as well. All right, so now that you have the Binance or Coinbase account, next thing you want to do is get the Pocket wallet installed on either your Play Store, Chrome browser, or your App Store. I currently have mine on the Chrome browser. This is a dead wallet that you'll see here. I will not be using this for anything else other than this video as we go over the tutorial. All right, so you can go ahead and add to Chrome. Right here it says remove from Chrome because I already have it on here, and you'll see it right here, the Pockie wallet, and it does require a 12 character or a 12 word seed phrase when you set up. You're going to want to save that file somewhere, write it down on a piece of paper, put it in safe where nobody can get it. And if you ever lose this wallet address, pull that out. But if you're going to be browsing a lot of browsers with any wallet, you're probably going to want to change your wallet out quite often. So have one designated wallet where you can deposit funds that you don't use to connect to any sites, and keep that one in your safe written down that you don't use ever, maybe just for deposits, and that's it, because you really don't want that to get hacked. When it's not on any networks, you don't have to worry about any networks trying to get into your wallet. All right, and then you also have Play Store, where you can go ahead and play that right on your phone in Apple or Android, so it works on both devices right there, and it'll get you started as well. All right, and what Pockie is a personal wallet developed by PiLab Technology, was also designed for BTCFi. So this was designed to work with BTCFi already. So you want to search for this in the Play Store, like I said, get that installed, and that'll get you started within the BiFrost ecosystem. And then we're going to go on to step 3. We're going to select the BNB network from Binance and transfer BTC to a wallet. And this is actually pretty easy. What I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to show you from Coinbase, but it is the same step on Binance. I'll actually log into Binance here on the side and then show you how to do it from Binance as well. And the first thing we have to do to start the process is come over to the BTCFi homepage, BTCFi.1, and we'll get the process started right here. All right, and we're on this page. We're gonna go ahead and click on the Share 1.2 BTC Rewards button right here. And when that pops up, right here at the top right, you'll see your wallet that's connected. As of right now, I do have the Pockie wallet already connected to this page, and I have Arbitrum network selected as of right now. You can select BiFrost, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, and BNB, but we're gonna be using Arbitrum for the example for this video because it has a lower fee, a lot cheaper to send, and you can send it from Coinbase US, guys. So this makes it a lot cheaper and a lot easier to send. So to do so, what you're going to do is open up your Pockie wallet up here in your extensions, and right here where it says the network, we're going to go ahead and select Arbitrum. Make sure it's already selected. As you see right here, I do have it selected, and you're going to hit this little plus button. And before we actually search, right here where it says Ethereum, where I'm hovering the mouse cursor, you're going to click that bottom arrow and actually select the network you want to receive your wrapped Bitcoin from, or your Bitcoin Binance, but that would come directly from BNB chain. So we're going to come here, select Arbitrum. Now that that's selected, I'm going to go in and type WBTC, and there it is, wrapped Bitcoin with the little Arbitrum logo right there. So make sure that little logo above the wrapped Bitcoin that you see right here matches up to the network that you want to actually receive your Bitcoin from. We're going to come back over, and there you see it's now in my Pockie wallet. This is a major step before we go ahead and actually send the asset. All right, guys, so then what you want to do is come over here to Coinbase, where you already have purchased your wrapped Bitcoin, or where you want to purchase your wrapped Bitcoin. We're gonna go ahead and select that right there, and what we want to do is now send. But before we send, we're gonna go up here, and you want to make sure you send it to the right network. And right here, it's gonna have you select the networks when you go ahead and send it. And here on the Coinbase side, you see the wrapped Bitcoin right there. So to send the Bitcoin, we have to make sure we have the Pockie address or the receiving address selected in the Pockie wallet. So what we're gonna do is come over here, click on wrapped Bitcoin, make sure you have that Arbitrum logo, like I said, right there, guys, where I'm circling the mouse cursor, and you're gonna click the receive button, and that's gonna generate an address. So you're going to copy that address and come over here to your wrapped Bitcoin balance in your Coinbase and click on your primary wrapped Bitcoin balance. Now to send that, you're going to come up here to the top right where it says send and receive, click that button, and it's right down here, right underneath the send. You see where it says to, it's going to have you select a network, and we're going to make sure we pick the right network, because if you send it to the wrong one, you will lose all your assets, and there is no fee if you send it to Arbitrum. So let's go ahead, and yes, it's supported, and now we're going to go ahead and paste the address that we're sending it to right there, and we're going to make sure that's right. Double, triple check that address. Make sure that address is always right, because if it's wrong, you will lose your assets as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Another way of doing that is verifying the first 5 and the last 4. That's usually the way I do it. Sometimes I'll copy the entire address to a notepad, drop it underneath there, and just double check that way as well to make sure every single digit's correct and nothing gets lost. So we're going to go ahead, and now that we have that address, we're going to hit enter, and we're going to send the maximum amount. Just once again, double check that address. I'm going to go ahead and make sure, just for the sake of this video, because I do not want to lose these assets in the process. All right, we're looking good. Okay, now all of that's selected, you're going to go ahead and preview this send, and this is your last chance to verify the address. And right there where it says to, that gives you the full address. Like I said, you probably want to copy that address that you already have pasted. What I do is go over here, type in notepad, and I'll pop that open a new tab, drop that address in there, and then I'll just swing it right underneath it. It's just like you see me. If you really can't see, I'm going to hold it up just a little bit above me. So you see the notepad with the address right here. It's going to drop it down right underneath that address where it says to, and just verify that's correct. It might take an extra 3 minutes, but that'll save you an extra 3 hours of headache if that money goes to the wrong place. All right, guys, now that we verified that address is correct, we're gonna go ahead and send now, and there is no fee. And I do have 2FA on this, so the good thing with Coinbase is that we'll not send the asset unless you have verified it on 2 sides. So I have to send it from my PC, and I also have to verify it with my fingerprint from my phone before it even sends the asset off chain. And that's a good thing. That's why I like using Coinbase over Binance, because it does require more security and more verification before it can either receive or send money. And it's been verified on my phone. You'll watch it verified right there on the screen right after. There you go. Boom. It's gonna go ahead and send that wrapped Bitcoin now, guys. And for the sake of the video, I am gonna fast forward to the receiving part. All right, and as you see here, I already have the wrapped Bitcoin in my wallet. It literally took less than 1 minute. I thought it was gonna take a lot longer, so I really didn't have to edit much out, guys. But from the time I sent it from Coinbase till I got it in my wallet, it was literally less than 60 seconds. That's pretty fast for Bitcoin, because it used to take 3 hours. I remember when I used to send these things and be sweating bullets hoping I sent it to the right address, because 3 hours later, you're like, I hope it's there. I hope it's there. That's a lot of money. And sure enough, it would show up. But still, like, that's why I'm telling you people, double, triple check your send and receive addresses just to make sure you don't lose anything. I've done it before. It's a dumb mistake. It's an easy mistake not to make just by double checking where you're sending your assets to, guys. All right, so the next step here in the video is we're actually go ahead and make the deposit. So to do the deposit, you come over here to the wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, the one that we're actually depositing. Make sure we have Arbitrum selected up here, and make sure you also have a little bit of ARB in your wallet as well, because you want to make sure that you have some money to cover the gas. Anytime you're doing something on a network, it does use that network's native token as a gas processor, so that is what covers the gas for any transaction that's going to happen here. And I did put about $5 or 2 ARB on the account right now to make this happen for you guys. So we're going to go ahead and just deposit the max amount. Oh, I have to select the right network. Also, when you're on here where you deposit the wrapped Bitcoin, you're going to see deposit token. You're going to click on that tab. It's going to bring up BiFrost, ARB, Ethereum, and Matic. We're going to go ahead and click on the Arbitrum right there. Click on max. If you have a referral code, you're going to want to paste it there. All right, we're going to go ahead and use that and deposit. And right here, we do have to sign the contract where it shows up in the wallet. So we're going to go ahead and sign that contract, make that deposit. And you do have to have some Ethereum on the wallet as well, just so you guys know, on the Avalanche network itself. It doesn't require much Ethereum, but you do have to have it on there. So look, it's about 1 cent of the gas fee. So we're going to go ahead and confirm that. And there you go. It was successfully deposited, guys. So as of right now, we do have the wrapped Bitcoin currently deposited into the BTCFi platform. And now that you have the funds deposited, you are now entered into the BTCFi chance to earn 1.2 BTC rewards. So that's pretty much all you have to do. Thank you to participated into the pre-launch experience to earn the rewards. If you have any questions, like I said, reach out to the BTCFi team. And that's pretty much all I have on this tutorial on how y'all go ahead and get your assets on here to get your share of the 1.2 Bitcoin rewards. Feel free to reach out to me on the Crypto Diamond Discord, Crypto Diamond Telegram, or the Crypto Diamond Facebook. If you have any questions for BiFrost or BTCFi, reach out to the BiFrost people as well, and I have all the resources right here below me in the description of the video. Thanks for watching and have a great day trading. Goodbye.